So welcome to my class. Dear cadet, how are you? I think you all are fine during the pandemic situation of COVID-19. So dear cadet, today's your topics types of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction. And date 8/9/2020. Dear cadet, first question to you, what is chemical reaction? Very simple. When one chemical reacts with another chemicals and produces new substances, this is known as chemical reaction. And you know, a lot of reaction are happened in our environment, and all types of reaction is required for our survival. The best example is photosynthesis. You know, in a photosynthesis is a process by which the green plant prepare their own food. So the total living being depends on the photosynthesis reaction. Because if the plant are not produce their own food, then we will not get our food. Because the man directly depends on plant. Because we will collect the food from plant. So a lot of reaction are happened in our environment. Okay, so dear cadet, now I'd like to discuss about the types of chemical reaction. And you know, there are 4 types of chemical reaction are there in your science book. Chemical reaction. First is addition reaction. The second one is combustion reaction. And third one is substitution reaction. And fourth is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. So there are 4 types of chemical reaction are there in your science book. One is addition reaction, number 2 is combustion reaction, number 3 is substitution reaction, number 4 is decomposition reaction. Dear cadet, now I'd like to discuss about addition reaction. So addition reaction. Addition reaction, before going to the addition reaction, I would like to clarify what is element and what is compound. So element, that means the substance which is made by only one types of component, then it is known as element. The example of elements are iron, sodium, potassium, etc. And now question here, what is compound? Compound, that means the substance which is made by more than one component. It may be 2 or it may be 3. This is known as compound. I say for example, water, H2O. The formula of water is, you know, H2O. So here hydrogen and oxygens are there. The another example is sodium chloride. Here the sodium is one type of component and chlorine is another type of component. So in a addition reaction, when element react with element and element react with compound and compound react with compound and always produces only one product. So this reaction is known as addition reaction. I mean that in a addition reaction it has 3 categories. So when element react with element and produces only one product, when element react with compound and produces only one product, and when compound reacts with compound and produces only one product. So this reaction is known as addition reaction. So dear cadet, now I am going to the elaborate discussion about the addition reaction. So dear cadet, in an addition reaction, I told to you, it has three dimensions. That means element react with element. That means iron react with sulfur, produces iron sulfide. Here iron is one type of element and sulfur is another type of element. When the iron react with the sulfur, then produces iron sulfide. This is only one product. So in an addition reaction, we will always get only one product after the chemical reaction. And the second dimension here, hydrogen gas, when hydrogen gas react with sulfur and produces hydrogen sulfide. Here compound react with element and produces only one type of product. And the third dimension is ammonia react with HCl. Ammonium react with HCl and produces ammonium chloride. So dear cadet, you see, always only one type of product is produced. This is the main characteristics of addition reaction. So after the chemical reaction, always only one type of product are produced. This is the main characteristics of addition reaction. So I repeat it again, dear cadet. When element reacts with element and produces only one product. The second category is when compound react with element and produces only one product. And the third category is when compound react with compound. Here you see the ammonia, NH3 is one type of compound and hydrochloric acid is another type of compound. So compound reacts with compound and produces only one type of product. So these three reaction all are known as addition reaction. Here another reaction is synthesis reaction. So dear cadet, your homework, you will study about the synthesis reaction, and in the next class I will discuss about the synthesis reaction. Okay? So thank you everybody. Stay fine and stay safe during the time of COVID-19. Thank you.